Today we're going to talk about how to lose belly fat for women. Belly fat can be a stubborn and unsightly problem for many women, but the good news is, it's also one of the easiest areas of the body to target for weight loss. The key is to combine a healthy diet with regular exercise, which is essential for losing belly fat. But let's dive a bit deeper into the specifics of both of these topics. First, let's talk about diet. When it comes to losing belly fat, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods that will keep you feeling full and satisfied, while also helping you lose weight. This includes foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. These foods are high in fiber and nutrients, which can help boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. It's also important to limit your intake of processed and high-fat foods, as well as added sugars and simple carbohydrates. These foods are often high in calories and can contribute to weight gain and belly fat. Instead, try to focus on whole foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. In addition to eating a healthy diet, it's also important to stay hydrated. Drinking at least 8 cups of water a day can help boost metabolism, flush out toxins, and reduce bloating. Drinking water can also help you feel full and prevent overeating. Now, let's talk about exercise. As we've already discussed, exercises that target the abdominal muscles, such as crunches, leg raises, and planks, can help tone and strengthen the muscles in the area. However, it's also important to incorporate cardio into your workout routine. Activities such as jogging, cycling, and swimming can help burn calories and boost overall weight loss. In addition to cardio and abdominal exercises, it's also important to include resistance training in your workout routine. This can include exercises such as weightlifting, body weight exercises, and using resistance bands. Resistance training can help build muscle and boost metabolism, which can aid in weight loss. It's also important to remember that consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Aim to exercise at least 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. This can be broken up into shorter 10 to 15-minute sessions throughout the day if needed. Another important factor to consider when trying to lose belly fat is stress management. Stress can contribute to weight gain and belly fat, as it can cause the body to release cortisol, a hormone that can lead to weight gain. To combat stress, try incorporating stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing into your daily routine. It's also important to get enough sleep. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain and belly fat, as it can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism. Finally, it's important to have a positive attitude and stay motivated throughout your weight loss journey. Remember that losing belly fat is a process, and it may take some time to see results, but with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and a positive attitude, you can achieve your goals and feel confident in your own skin. In conclusion, losing belly fat is a combination of eating a healthy diet, regular exercise, staying hydrated, stress management, getting enough sleep, and having a positive attitude. It's important to find a balance that works for you and to be consistent in your efforts. With determination and hard work, you can achieve your goals and feel confident in your own skin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to stay fit and healthy.